All right, we're going to start the final part 3 of the alpha beta decay lab, and then I'll also have another video for the additional practice problems coming up in just a second. So I'll start off here, drawing plutonium-240 going through alpha decay. You don't have to give me a super detailed drawing. You do not have to draw 90-something protons, okay? Totally fine. Just give me an idea of maybe put in a couple of circles, relative size of the atoms you think that come out of there. That would be something to go through. For question number 19, and also for the question that mirrors this down in the beta decay problem section, here's what I'm going to ask you to think about. Elements go through decay because they have either too many protons or too many neutrons. Right? You've got to have the balance the correct way for an element to be able to be stable. So if it's going to go through decay, it's going through decay because it has too many protons or too many neutrons. And what I'm asking you to think about right now is which of those is true of each of these elements. So think about that. If you're kind of feeling kind of stumped on it here on question 19, maybe go down and answer the beta decay questions and then come back up and think about that. And then you're going to go through, and I want you to go back to the band of stability, the graph, right? You can just go open it up in 4.3b. I will go ahead and pick up, or I'll actually go ahead and make sure it's in the folder for this week so that you can look at it there. Yeah, pardon me. So you're going to pick 3 atoms that you think would undergo alpha decay and put in the alpha particle and put in the daughter nuclei. And there you go. That's what we've got right there. For beta decay, same thing, drawing lithium 8 going through beta decay. You don't need to draw out every proton and neutron, although that will be much easier in this case, right? So that's something to think about. Again, question 22 is the mirror of question 19. Why does it go through beta decay? Too many protons, too many neutrons, right? That's the reason things go through decay. And then, again, similar to the other question above, pick 3 things that you think go through beta decay. And one thing I'll say about the band of stability is if you think about the band of stability, you've got this line of kind of stable atoms going up. If they're on this side of the line up here, if they're above it, that means they've got too many neutrons. Neutrons are what's on the y-axis. If they're below it, that means they've got too many protons. Those are elements protons are on the x-axis. So that's a really good way to think about this as you go through it. That's really about all I've got to say about this. I'll talk more about the additional questions in the next video.